On your marks, get set, draw! Let's go!
Hujan deras sekali, tetapi bagiku seakan-akan tak berarti. Karena yang aku yakin
50 seconds.
pasti akan berhenti nanti.
That it is possible to draw quickly kung gugustuhin nyo. Right? And guess what? I'm preparing you for the greatest challenge of your life. You just look at what you did in 30 minutes. Do you think if I give you 1.5 hours, di ba? Chicken feed na bigla siya, ang kaninang mag-drawing.
Suatu saat pasti akan berhenti. Nantikanlah, nanti pasti